traders, this is TAFXs. Welcome to TAFX family, and I believe that guys, you are doing great. All right, in this video, we are going to learn about this hit and run template. We have already created a hit and run template to make things easier to everyone who is learning or mastering our system, because this is part of the thing that you should know. And now I'm seeing there is a great preparation here on minute 3 that if this candle closes with that bullish momentum out of it has already do that. Let me take trades. Let us take this trade and see how perfect this system is. That is the trade. And our TP, because it is hit and run, we are going to set it there. And I think I have explained a lot of things about why that plays. All right. Let us trade first before we proceed. We are already in the profit. I just want to show you how we do our hit and run things. That's how we do our hit and run things. And in presence of you guys, we are going to bank this. Thank God for everyone who have joined our Copier. All right, everyone who have joined our Copier. You see where we are going, because we are going to retest here on this a trend line. All right, and I know it should be somewhere here. Those people who follow us closely, the TP that we set below our wick, it should be there. All right, and also we can re-enter, but now it's very clear to see where we are supposed to set even our TP, the TP that we set below the wick. So this is where, because this is a resistance, a very strong resistance, and you can see already our trend line has shown us where to go or where to set our TP. So the TP will be we are going to hit our TP in few minutes. All right, and as we talk more about this video, right? All right, let's go back here and to see how the things are going. Here we are going to do it professionally. Okay, as we proceed to see what is happening there on this real account, let's talk about hit and run. Let me go to my templates now. You can see we have a hit and run, and this is where we trade gold. All right, we trade, or we mentor people on how to trade gold. All right, and now let's go back to our strategy in this minute 3 before we proceed. All right, let us check what is happening on minute 3. In minute 3, we can see there was a breakout here, whereby this breakout, it might be a false breakout, but we can see our resistance or our swing low, it is at this point. And now the candle that broken our swing low here, you can see it has a good bullish momentum. This is the wick, the rejection of here down, all right, in the bottom of this thing. So you can see there is a wick. So this wick, we don't care. The wick that we pay attention, it is if it is a bullish market, it is the bottom wick. And now on our left, you can see all these area are filled, because these rejections here, meaning that there was a fight, a very fight here for market to go up, and now the market is going down. And this is why we have our trend line here. You can see the way market was trying to go up. The buyers were trying to take control, but the sellers were still having the say, and now the market dropped according to our trend line. Then after the break of our trend line here, you can see we went to this place, but where we wanted to pay more of attention, it is this area, right? The breakout here. So this tells us this market can reverse. Let me bring my triangle. Where is it here? We have a very strong and reliable order block at this point. And I told you guys that one day I will share more of this order block, because it's very important. And if you spot it, so this means we are very confident. If this market comes down, then we are going to add more position. All right, we are going to add more position so that we can go with this market up, because now we must hit our ATP. All right, so let's go back to our minute 10 here. We have seen now the things, how they change automatically, and now the EA automatically, it will set a trend line. for the possibilities. This is to alert you the possibilities of where the market can reach and go down. And you can see in the below of our wicks where we said, you can see we are very, very, very keen and knowing that what will happen next. And the system indicates earlier on what to expect. So this is one of the strategies that I'm very, very interested to guide people on how to use our system in order to become a Forex guru. And before you understand that, that's why after purchasing the system, you receive a free copier, all right? So you bank as you earn. So there is no hurry, but you'll be banking. But my intention, it is to make sure you understand how to read the market, how to trade this gold, how to scalp this gold in minute 3 using our system. So you can see now the things have changed. We have activated the trend line, not that they were not there. They have been always there. It's only that we set them by false until the right time comes when that everyone can learn or everyone can understand our system. And since this is the time that we are doing 2026 trading goals and we are still in the process, this is why we activate everything that was programmed on our system in order to make things easier for you guys. So you can see we had a good rejection on minute 10 and also our trend line at this point. And let's go back here so that I can remind you our strategy as usual. So the market, we always say the market creates internal structure. Let me change this color so that it can be seen. Everyone can see. Oh my, let me bring which, let me try to do this. It is magenta, I think, let me use even if it is yellow color, right? So as usual, we know our strategy, it must create an internal structure, something like that. And internal structure, it's already created here. And we wait for the market to break our internal structure with this bullish group momentum. And we can see it has already broken our support or our resistance here. And now our resistance has become a support. All right. So all strategy is confirmed. All right. The strategy is already confirmed. Confirmed by what? Pay attention. This is an internal structure that was created, and we say whenever we saw that internal structure, we'll be waiting for this candle to break this internal structure with a good bullish momentum candle that breaks in this area. Then from there, all right, we have a second confirmation that this resistance it's also broken, and now it has become support. Right, and the system now, it's very clear because now you can see we also have a demand at this point. So the demand was not enough because we must wait for our strategy to line. So we cannot depend on only demand or any order block, but we can rely on the strategy that we believe in after reading or mastering the gold. Now, you can see the most interesting thing here about this, our trend line. You can see the trend line, everything agrees and broken this place and goes far. But we are not hurry to enter the market and exit here. No, we must wait. The most important thing, it is to wait for the market to create this internal structure. This is the most important things after when it happens and after confirming what the system is telling us. So we don't follow the system blindly, all right? We don't follow the system blindly. We let the system confirm our strategy. You know, something that something that happens a lot to many traders, they want the system, not the system to confirm their strategy. They don't have any of the strategy, but they want the system to be their strategy. And that is a big mess, because you'll find yourself, it doesn't matter what the system shows, how it indicates things, how sweet it looks, but it might not reach the goal, because it is the system that doesn't confirm your strategy. It is very, very dangerous to work with that system. But our system here, you can see, it confirms our strategy and make things easier. All right, you can see we are in a good profit, almost $200. Right, the market is approaching and going to our TP. All right, it's going to our TP. You can see we are in a 250, almost hitting our TP. Let's wait. Let us be patient, because we are very confident with where our TP is. It must hit our TP unless otherwise, but we are much confident with where we set our TP according to what is happening here in minute 3, all right, minute 10. We are very, very close. Oh my, it's smelling, it's going down, smelling our TP there. Oh my, I'm feeling tempted, like, oh, I can help you close it in manually, but let's wait. You can see very, very close, guys. Oh my, good. It has hit our profit alive. And go to our Telegram, confirm this now. We banked 1,000. The last screenshot I sent to our Telegram, it was 1,000, all right? And now you can see we have banked $280, and now we are in a 30. This is only today's result, and purchasing this system is 620. You can see we have already doubled. If someone purchased this system today, you can see you can recover that money even with a single day. So guys, I'm going to take you through about this strategy, because now we are going to present this hit and run template, all right, and how the combination are working. If you follow our video closely on our dynamic courses, we have already shared what to confirm on our big time frame. So my concern now, it is to guide you on how to use this to attach this hit and run template on our minute 3. So let me again confirm what is happening here on minute 10. In minute 10, let me show something here. In this minute 10, there is a high possibility of entering this market to this place, but there will be only one condition. If this candle will close with a good bullish momentum, that is one of the things, again, that it will help us to enter this trade, to re-enter the trade on minute 3. So we are waiting in the next few seconds, because you can see there is a danger zone here because of our trend line. You can see the market respected where our trend line is, and there is a rejection here. So the only thing that can make us now re-enter the market without hesitating, it is what will happen in the next 2 minutes. If this candle here, if that bar will close with a very good bullish momentum, then again we can enter to hit and run targeting this place. So it is simple to use this system. And if sometimes it sounds like, oh, I still don't understand, you don't have to understand anything, because we are offering free Copier trading to help you guys a bank like no other. We help you bank by connecting your account with ours. This is one of the account that we are doing the Copier. And if you're watching this video from our YouTube channel, make sure on the description of this video you can reach us, or you can follow us to our Telegram, where we share a daily result. In every signal we share our daily result. Or you can reach me out from the number that is pop-upping on your screen. That is my WhatsApp number, right? So let's talk about this. The candle has already closed, but you can see it still have a week. So this is not the good it's not the good thing to buy or to buy because it did not close. It has already respected our trend line and anything can happen. But where if the market will drop again, all right, let's say something like this and go up here and break now this candle. We are waiting to see what will break this candle, if it will be with a good bullish momentum candle, or even this candle that has opened the price at this moment, if it will close with a good bullish momentum candle, then which is our strength candle, then we can re-enter the market. The best thing is that everything is indicated by this system, and when you become familiar with it, you are, my friend, trust me, you'll become a professional trader. So don't forget to get access to our lifetime copier, free copier. It's only by purchasing either EA at 850 and get signal generating EA for free, and lifetime copier and all other services, inclusive free courses, you will be given for free. The second thing, you can purchase only the signal generating EA either for the Renko signal generating EA or SMC signal generating EA at 650, and you'll join a lifetime trader. As we mentor you to understand and to master the system, you'll become a pro trader because we are trading on your behalf through a trading or copier trading. So thank you so much, guys, and once again, welcome to TFX family. Thank you.